It's definitely the most satisfying win I've been involved in, especially after the last couple of years. You know, the last couple of World Cup exits for us hurt our team a lot, and we spoke about that as a group and not hiding away from that fact. You know, yes, it has been a tough time for Australian cricket, but you know, we felt that we could really lift the spirits by just playing the way we do and being ourselves and enjoying what we do. And the success came along with that, and hopefully there was a lot of people watching back home, and hopefully we've been able to make them proud.
We came in with a very inexperienced side, and some of those players that have come in, like Sophia Dunkley, Kirsty Gordon, have really stepped up and performed outstandingly, and that's a really exciting thing, obviously moving forward, and a real positive for us to take forward. But yeah, it's obviously quite raw at the moment. We've got to sort of reflect, get back home and reflect on where we go potentially as a side. But I'm really chuffed for those young girls that have come out here and really performed on the biggest stage.